Malot, one letter Malot. LCR arrived Malot. Received Malot. So it may be listed on 26th of June, Malot. May I please, Your Lordship? I pay for listing of a criminal petition and a freshly filed Malot. Conviction is there. When did you file? On 16, Lordship. Filing number is 562. There is a I also Malot for suspension, Lordship. I convicted for 2 years, Lordship. On Friday, if possible, Lordship. Not on Friday, make it on 23rd. Deeply obliged.
Listing of a criminal appeal, my lord, pending case, my lord. While disposing of the IM, my lord, it was directed to be listed in the month of September 23. But after that, it has not.
Friday.
Right. Published.
May I please, Your Lordship? It's for listing of a criminal appeal along with an IA, Your Lordship. I'm a convicted for 5 years, Your Lordship. Kindly on Monday, 23rd of,
When did you file?
it was filed on February of this year, Your Lordship.
It has been numbered.
Yes, it was been, a notice has been issued, Your Lordship. Order has been passed for notice, Your Lordship.
Monday.
Monday 20. Your Lordship, one more, Your Lordship, on criminal division, Lordship, for along with the IA for condemnation of delay, Your Lordship.
24th.
24.
May I
Obliged.
please, Your Lordship? Lordship, one IA, criminal, Lordship 594/25 in revision petition, Lordship, for condemnation of delay IA. And Lordship, it was registered on 5/6/2025, Lordship, but it was not listed. Monday, Lordship, kindly.
Friday.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for urgent listing of a criminal petition for motion, Your Lordship.
What is the urgency?
Pardon, Lordship.
What is the urgency?
In the trial court, the matter is fixed on 21st, so there is some,
When did trial court pass the order?
Lordship.
When did trial court pass the order?
It was, I don't remember now.
When did you file?
The question petition. It was on Monday, Your Lordship,
Last Monday,
last month.
next week,
Deeply obliged.
24th. 25th, you make it, 25th, lots of, 25th. Yes. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship, I am mentioning a criminal petition for orders after vacation also, any day.
Don't make it a mention now, immediately after weekend. Why are you making a mention now? You making mention last week. It's too early. Or you can make a mention on Friday.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, in this case, I request some time, Lordship. I'll file an additional affidavit, Lordship. Regarding that, Lordship, at the time of filing, we could not disclose that it was earlier withdrawn, Lordship. That part.
Matter be acted. Okay. And be listed after filing. Our affidavit. But
Much obliged, Your Lord. May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, 482 application, my lord. FIR is at page, my lord, page 17, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Yes, Mr. Singh.
So my lord, this is the FIR of 2015, my lord. Now the facts of the case is there, my lord. In 2011, two private person, my lord, this private
That we have
respondent.
seen. That we have.
So my lord, that two person, my lord,
Hmm.
apply for mutation, my lord, on the basis, my lord, Waris Naam
That
they
also
apply.
we have seen. Yes.
Then I was the, my lord, Lad Mandal at that time in Sunapur Circle, my lord. Now I'm serving at my lord, Guwahati Revenue Circle, my lord. Now in the FIR, my lord, nowhere my name has been mentioned.
Doesn't matter who submitted the report before.
Yes,
the-
my lord, yes, that is correct. My lord,
Who submitted the report?
field verification was done by me. As per, my lord, as
Get the
per,
case diary, Mr. Sharma.
my lord, my only prayer is, my already,
Mr. Sharma, when?
Lordship,
Tuesday next?
Lordship. 26, look.
Too late, because next day is a vacation. Make it on 24, not 4. Right?
My.
May I please, Your Lordship. It is under trial matter, my lord. And he is facing trial. Take your seat. Smile.
Mr. Sharma, what do you have to say?
Lordship, two things. First, Lordship will have to see the conduct of the petitioner. Lordship is already seen that the FIR was filed in the year 2018, then prosecuted. And Lordship, he remained absconding, Lordship. The other co-accused, Lordship, he was acquitted, Lordship, but there are specific finding in the judgment itself, Lordship, regarding the act done by the present petitioner. And also Lordship's order at page 59, Lordship has already recorded all those things, Lordship, regarding the involvement of the present petitioner in the case. Thereafter, Lordship will find in the order dated 3/1/25 at page 63. The learned court below has specifically held, Lordship, peruse the CR and it transpires that the co-accused has already faced the trial and was finally acquitted in this case. The present accused was absconding and evading the process of trial. And thereafter, Lordship, for that reason only, he was not granted bail, and also Lordship order dated 18/3/25 at page 67. Lordship will find last paragraph on perusal of CR, it reveals that the accused was absconding and the trial of the case was completed in respect of other co-accused. The instant case is pending since long for his absence. There is also every possibility of absconding and evading the process of trial, and hence the instant bail application was rejected, Lordship. So, Lordship, finding the trial, Lordship, now has progressed, Lordship, after such a long time, Lordship. And apparently, Lordship, the victim was minor at that point of time, around 14 or 15 years of age. And now, Lordship, already evidence has started. So at this stage, Lordship, it may not be granted bail because, Lordship, the case also is progressing at a fair pace, Lordship. Already around 4 PWs has already been examined on March, Lordship. Also, Lordship, the Lordship is well aware of the judgment, Lordship, expresses the state of Rajasthan.
Yes, madam.
May it pleases your lordship. Here, your lordship, page number 67, your lordship. It was clearly shown that dated on 18/3/2025, your lordship. Later on onwards, your lordship, page 67.
Hmm.
The case is, your lordship, for production and evidence stage, your lordship. And thereafter, your lordship, peruse the bail application. I would like to read it there onwards, your lordship. 740/25, wherein prayed for bail of accused Harmuz Ali, who is in jail since 3/1/2025, heard learned defense counsel as well as learned PP representing the state of Assam.
Meeting her.
Your lordship, page 67, later on onwards, your lordship. He was produced through, your lordship, he was in jail, and your lordship, for bail, your lordship, 3/1/2025 onwards, your lordship, he was behind the jail. And thereafter, your lordship, heard learned defense counsel as well as the learned PP representing the state of Assam. On perusal of CR, it reveals that the accused was absconding. He was absconding, and the trial of the case was completed in respect of the other accused. But it cannot be completed pertaining to that, your lordship, accused person. The instant case is pending since long for his absence, and it was registered in the year of 2018. But the trial was started in 2025, and that would be March. There is also every possibility of absconding and evading the process of trial, and hence the instant bail application stands rejected. On dated 18/3/2025, his bail prayer was rejected, your lordship, on the ground, your lordship, that he was absconding from, your lordship, he was absconding, and this trial has been processing lately, your lordship, because of his non-prosecution. He was not available, he was not present, your lordship. And now, your lordship, on dated page 68, 24/3/2025, it was clearly shown that issue for fresh summon to remaining PWs has been sent, and accused is remained to jail till date, and fixed for another date, that is 2/4/2025, for evidence. And now it is on evidence stage, your lordship. Giving bail, your lordship, it may hamper, your lordship, the trial proceedings. And moreover, your lordship, earlier one bail petition, that is page 59, annexure 7. Anticipatory bail has been applied, your lordship, and 18/12/2024, that is page 60, your lordship, seeing the grounds, your lordship, his bail, anticipatory bail has been stands rejected. That is on page 62. Since this is a special POSCO matter, and your lordship, your lordship, intentionally is absconding, and at this stage of evidence trial, your lordship, it may hamper, your lordship. So since the proceeding has been delayed from very long time, your lordship, that is 2018, now this is the March, your lordship, where proceeding is started, your lordship. Other accused has already been over, and this accused person cannot be proceed because of his absconding, your lordship. And now he is arrested, your lordship, and his back-to-back bail application, earlier bail application, has been rejected on the ground of the evidence that has been, materials has been found, your lordship. So I'm praying, your lordship, kindly at this stage, your lordship, granting bail may hamper the procedure, your lordship.
Okay.
I'm
Yes,
deeply
what do you
obliged.
have to say?
Lords. Well, that is true, my lord, he was absconder, but in this case, well, he is already, well, facing the trial. Well. So, well, custodial interrogation at this may not necessary.
Give the guarantee that we receive.
Right, now, lordship,
Who give the guarantee? The person who was, you are alleging that you were a neighbor,
my lord,
and you absconded for the proceeding, when more fully were after committing the crime, you have absconded.
lordship, he is a married man
See, this is.
and his family
your
responsibility,
father, what you have going to the record.
my lord.
For receipt of someone who did not appear. Your father The same house were residing at, received the summons. It is not that the trial court did not issue.
My lord,
But for the 5 years, or
Well-
more than 5 years, 2018 to 2024, they have found
Lordship,
unavailable warrant of arrest,
Lordship,
then proclamation and attachment. The executing officer's statement was recorded by the trial court. Thereafter, the case was filed. The matter proceeded with the other appeal. The other appeal was acquitted. Thereafter, we approached the court for the 3 years bill, which was rejected. Then you have surrendered in sometime in January.
Yes, yes.
So. There are particular right to have to do it now.
Lordship,
Unless-
the matter is relates to my lord liberty, my lord. At this stage, my lord, he is facing trial.
Rejected. Order to be. Order. That's what's the state of it.
Obliged.
Deeply opposed.
May I please lordship?
Yes, Mr.
A petitioner behind bar 1 year, 2 months, 17 days, my lord. He was arrested on 1/4/2024, my lord. And I am basically in this case, my lord, 47, 48 not followed, my lord. At the time of arrest and after demanding the land. Similar facts and circumstances, my lord. The last occasion was 10/6/2025, my lord. One of the accused, my lord, Vishal Kumar, my lord, has been granted bail by this honorable court on the ground that, my lord, 47, 48 of the BNS is not followed, which is it article of 22, my lord, constitutional Indian. It will. Page 29, my lord, arrest memo, and page 30, my lord. Notice under section 15. There is no any ground.
Arising out of same case or some other case?
And other case, my lord, facts and circumstances, same, my lord. A petitioner arrested from the train, my lord, in a court room.
We first do order.
Obliged.
May I please, I'm appearing for the act number 7. We received the copies, paper book. 5, 6. We received. I'm for the 7. Act number 7.
What's your good name
N. Chaudhary.
for the CBI?
Yes, your lordship, on behalf of MS M. Kumari.
The appeals of criminal appeal number 241 and 254. With 201. Receive the paper book. It is appealed by the three appeals that appeal are against the common judgment and order, conviction and sentence. The death. Zero 2016. Filed by the Special Judge City Asa, Guwahati. In special case number 02. The connected criminal appeal number 2412016 was admitted for hearing. Was already admission on 23092016. Whereas the criminal appeal number 2542016 admitted on 05/10/2016. Third time. As parties have already received. Sir, copy. Admit this settlement. Okay. As parties have, both the parties have already appeared. If they have appeared. Respondent. And both the parties have furnished the paper for the registry shall be these matters for the minutes. Within.
Much obliged.
Obliged to.
If some typographical mistakes are there in order lordship regarding police case.
Would be
And Polika.
Third, Mr. Ankulika, counsel appearing for the petition and Mr. P. Sharma, petition for the prosecutor. The applicant as a petition filed a PRS bill application under section 482 B NSS on 09062025. Apprehending his arrest in Dispur Police Station, case number 403 of 2025. Registered under section 115 within bracket 2, public 131, public 308 within bracket 3, public 351 within bracket 2, public 85, PPN Act. Corresponding to tier number 2379, public 25, 2023. Pertaining to an affair lost by his wife, Flavita Gogol. It is seen from the connected, connected, being, okay. Being, maybe number 131 on the profile. The court by ordered it
Eleven.
by ordered it 11062025. Granted. Allowed to say AB number 131 on 2025. Referred by the applicant. However, in the order that 11062025. Instead of this previous case number 403/2025. Was inadvertently typed as this previous case number 324 of it. Hence this application. But if it is so correct that of this group. Yes, case number 324 that well, this previous case number 402. On filter of the connected. Previous bill application may be number 131 of the preferred by the applicant as petition. Yes, safe. That the petition and the applicant. You need safe previous bill application may be number. Specifically mentioned this previous question. Arising out of It was filed before the power of the full police of force. Under it. By the Kita over. Which was separating the registered with the registered as. A. It's proof station text of food to the file of the paper. You have to in the order that we are in the receipt to the file. For everything. In this police station. Case number 3 to 4 of the food to the file. That is the same thing that we have. This police station is 403. Public food. Okay. This order something that we have ordered 1106 to be connected to the constitution. The process being to be. Okay. Well, supply.